Happy morning, everyone. I'm Kanishk,
And I am Ananya.
and today we're here with a group of talented 11th graders who recently completed a prestigious Scholastic Internship Programme. This opportunity reflected their hard work, dedication, and willingness to step beyond the classroom to gain real-world experience.
We'll be asking them a few quick questions about their journey, what they experienced, and what they learned from it.
So let's get started and hear from our achievers.
So now let us hear from the 11th graders about their exciting journey.
I am Prabhav and I am the CEO of the company.
I am Neeraj and I am head department of designing.
I am Pratyush and I am the games in charge of this company.
So Prabhav, can you tell us briefly what the Scholastic Internship Programme was about?
Sure, the Scholastic Internship Programme was about forming a company and organizing a book fair in the school.
So Neeraj, how were you selected to be a part of this internship?
I was selected on the basis of my interest in reading skills and promoting the designs.
So what kind of tasks or responsibilities were given to you?
So tasks like organizing fun activities, making reading a little bit more interesting were the tasks which were given to me.
So Prabhav, can you describe a typical day or session of the internship?
Sure. So we started off planning the entire day and how to conduct activities in different classes. Then we used to go in each and every class and ask the students about what type of books they read or what would they like to learn.
So what were some interesting activities that you did as part of the internship?
So we conducted some interesting activities in junior classes like guess the character from the famous books. So students who guessed the characters right, we gave them some awards on the book fair day.
So Pratyush, which activity did you enjoy the most and why?
Interesting question, Kanishk. So the activity which I enjoyed the most was recommending books to others because it felt great recommending others interesting books.
So namaste. I'm Roopali from Scholastic Internship and your children have done the internship in Scholastics. So I just wanted to know your view or your what you can say about the internship, how your children felt about it.
Internship gives another dimension to the thought process. These students are not just thinking of a mundane thing, whereas they always look for something which is beyond books. So internship provides that extra wings to them. So I feel that the Scholastic has given a wonderful opportunity to students to not only to experiment but get the things right on the ground.
And today we are giving the certificates to the students. So it will be great in case you present this.
Certainly, it will be a good motivator for all the students, and it will also set a benchmark for the other students to participate with their full zeal and enthusiasm. Thank you.
There is a trophy, rolling trophy every year for the best school, and I'm hoping for the best that your school wins it. Global India International wins the trophy.
Thank you. We are also looking for that trophy in our shelf very soon.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.